Hello.
How about you hop in and we spend the night together?
Fine girl like you, no man. No man.
What were you doing there?
I never told you I was a hooker.
I bring drama?
Give me your account details. Let me appreciate the beauty that I see.
Are you dying?
Yeah!
To be lying. I did tell you that.
What's really going on?
What is going on now?
How can you bring strange men into my house? What if they are robbers?
They are not robbers.
Hey! Jesus is a Christian.
Is he your sugar daddy?
He's not my sugar daddy.
I don't say you sound like this joke. You know be small picking. You dey play small pick. I don't like it.